For the glass material, we need to apply a texture to our window. So I don't need to apply the wood texture for this. If you want to apply it, you are free, but I will apply just the glass material for this window. I don't need the wood because it's not in my camera frame, so I will not work on it. So first I need to apply material to my window. Click new and apply, and make this metallic like this for the frame of the window, and change the color to black like this. And now I need to assign another slot and name it glass, and assign it to this and this faces. Click glass and assign. So what we need to do is to create our glass procedurally, because the glass of Blender is very awful, so I need to create it procedurally. So click shader, shift A shader, and make the principal BSD of glossy, because the glass is glossy and transparent. So what we need to do is to add transparent BSDF and add a mix shader and add these two materials together. And what we need to do now is to add a factor, which is Fresnel. Drag and drop and search for Fresnel factor and change the IR to 40. This method I learned it from Blender Guru. So we need to decrease the glossy roughness to 0 and make sure that we have a white color. So I need to plug this to the surface. Now what we need to do is to add another mix shader, shift D to duplicate this node, and plug the transparent material here. And we need a factor also. Drag and drop and search for the light path. I need the shadow ray, and we need to combine the shadow ray with diffuse and the glossy. So what we need to do is to add a converter math and let it to add, and click diffuse and add another add material, add node and glossy ray like this, and you have our glass. So like this, if you go inside the scene, and I will show you that we have this glass. So like this, if I turned on the word scene, so I need to go to cycles and turn the light on and check this scene word to work with HDRIs come up with Blender. You see that the light is inside the scene. So I will increase the density to 10 to see that the light is inside our scene. So like this, we have a good glass material in our scene. So this is everything for the glass material. See you in the next one, which is asset placement. I think that I already mentioned asset resources, for example, Choco for iMesh and maybe Polyheaven or something like this. You can fill up your scene. So I will not do a part for filling up the scene with assets. You can do this as a homework for yourself. See you in the lighting or the camera setup tutorial. See you soon. Salam.